Hello guys, welcome to your second tutorial in the C programming series. In this tutorial, we will be looking at various ways we can print text to screen. So let's dive into it. As usual, just in case you're wondering, I'm using code blocks. Code blocks is an IDE, an integrated development environment, so it allows me to write my program and run in the same environment without having to quit, save, quit, and use the GCC compile command. So I'll just write my program here and I will use these buttons here to build and run. All right, so just thought I should give you that information. You can just Google it and download from their website, their official website. So #include, as usual, we want to include the standard input output dot h, the header files for standard input output. We want to include that, and please, just to save the time, I will not be including comments. So we're just going to scrap comments and go straight to our main function declaration. All right, and as usual, the opening curly brackets and the closing curly brackets. Okay, so let's start with the one we are familiar with, puts. Okay, we used this in the last tutorial to print hello world. All right, so let's write another put, and okay, welcome to C programming series. Okay, now another function that allows you to actually print info to screen, information to screen, is the printf function. And in the printf function, let's just go ahead and type hello world here too. The printf function actually allows you to format, okay, printf. It allows you to format, let's say, welcome to your, okay, sorry, welcome to tutorial number T, comma 2. Now forget about what this means for now, this %, forget about it for now. I just want you to know that the printf allows you to format text, okay, and add extra information to that text. All right, so this %d is going to be replaced by 2 when we run this program. Okay, now the third one, okay, for the third one, it's not pretty popular for putting text to screen. It's a low-level function, but to use it you have to include the unistd header file .h. So let's come back here, and so it is called writes. Okay, and in its own case it takes 3 arguments. The first argument is where you want the output to go. I want the output, I want this program to write to the screen, so it's going to write to the screen, the standard output, comma, then what is the buffer there, what you want to write to the screen, what is the buffer, the file name or the file itself. In this case, let's just say we want to print hello world. Okay, and the third argument it's going to take is the size of this text. Okay, now each character is 1 byte, including the empty space is going to be calculated as 1 byte. So we have 4 here, the space makes it 5, and we have another 5, that is 10 bytes. All right, so 10 bytes, this is the quantity of information, the amount of information that we want this function to read. Okay, and so that you see a bit of how that works, let's have another write to and say welcome to your second tutorial. So now we are going to, sorry, we have to, our return statement, return 0. So we're going to build and run this. Okay, then from there I'm going to proceed to actually show you some other differences between them. So let's build. We have an error in line 13. Okay, we have an error here. We did not specify the amount of bytes. So let's just say, or better still, let's count. We have welcome 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. We have 31 bytes. All right, now let's build again, and yeah, no more errors. So run, and here, how many lines do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we should have at least 6 lines of output here, but no, you have the first line, the second line, and every other thing in one line. Okay, from printf hello world, there's it, welcome to tutorial 2, number 2, then line 10 here, there's it, and hello world, welcome to your second tutorial. All right, everything in one line. So how do we rectify that? Put by itself will print and return the qshot to the next line, but printf does not do that. Okay, so you have to tell it to go to a new line. All right, go to a new line. The same thing with the write, but because I will love to show you something with the write function too, I will leave that for now. I will leave it the same, I will not edit it. So build and run again, and here our printf statements hello world and welcome to tutorial number 2 has gone to new lines. Let's go now to the write statements, the write function call. We specified 10 here. Okay, so notice that, which is the exact amount of bytes for this, right? Notice this new line, we want it to add a new line to return such new line, wrong, but it doesn't return the cursor to new line. Whoa, okay, I made a very terrible mistake. With my counting. That's funny. This is hello is not 4 bytes. Each character is 1 byte, and hello has 5 letters, so this is 5 bytes. All right, and your space makes it 11, so it should be 11 bytes. 5 letters, another 5 letters plus the space. Okay, so let's build and run this again, and yeah, good, hello world, but it is not returning the cursor to a new line. So why that? Why is that happening? It is because we have to include an extra bytes to it, okay, before it can return the cursor to the next line. So if we should build and run this, yeah, hello world, welcome to your second tutorial. Now we have 6 lines of code of print statements and 6 lines of output. Okay, the first two we use the put function, the second two we use the printf function, and the third two we use the write function. And that, my friends, is how you print information to the screen. Thanks for watching.